Hello everyone. Today I would like to share with all of you about social media literacy. So, let's start. Introduction to social media literacy. What is the definition of social media? Social media is the websites and applications that enable users to create and share content. The term used to describe a variety of web-based platform applications and technologies. The examples of social media sites and applications are Facebook, YouTube, blogs, and so on. Definition literacy is a knowledge that relates to a specified subject. Word literate means to be familiar with literature, the ability to read and write. Brief history of social media. Internet sites where people can interact freely, sharing and discussing information. Facebook, WordPress, Blogger, and many others are examples of well-known sites. History of Web 2.0 is a network is platform spanning all connected devices, online applications, interactions, and tools. The example of Web 2.0 are blogs, podcasts, wikis, and others. Next, history of Library 2.0. Library space are more interactive, collaborative, and driven by community needs. Social media have many types, such as social networks. Users can create profiles, share information like images and videos. Another users can click like to the post. Examples, Facebook. Second, microblogs. Microblogs is a short public message. It can be focused just by using hashtag. Example, Twitter. Video. Video can be uploaded and shared. For the example, YouTube. Photo sharing. Photograph can be uploaded and shared. For the example, on Instagram. Discussion forum. Topical web or email-based list for discussion. Example, Google Groups. Podcast. Digital medium consisting of an episodic series like PDF, audio, and so on. Example, Radio Lab. Next, types of learning social media. First, intra-organizational learning. Intra-organizational learning is how social can be used to keep the employees up to date. Employees are sharing information and resources with others. Collaboration environments for employees to share news. Second, formal structured learning. Formal structured learning is how educators and students can use informal education. Most workplace training use social activity to an online course sometimes. Individuals are using social media to learn in many other ways. Third, personal directed learning. Individuals use social media to organize and manage their personnel. Individuals can connect with others to build a professional learning network. Social media and social networking sites like Facebook made this easy to set up. Then, group-directed learning. Group-directed learning is how teams can use social media to work and learn together. A group uses social media tools to share information with one another. Groups of employees use this tool to provide the functional that they need. Last, accidental and serendipitous learning. Individuals using social media to learn without consciously releasing it. Accidental learning can take place in any of the scenarios. Some individuals like to take advantage of possible serendipitous. Social media framework. What is framework? Framework is as a guide which helps us work, real or conceptual structure, tackles the questions that help us define the answer, learn through executive instruction, two simultaneous streams of activities, developing strategies and engaging in social media. Elements of framework focuses on building, identifies key elements, separates internal and external social media users, align with company strategy, not a technology implementation. Benefits of framework help to track progress, help to pinpoint, identify what is working well, and identify where need to improve. Social media framework have five. First, social strategy. Second, social methods. Third, social tools. Fourth, social and network learning. Fifth, the social non-profit. Social media framework strategy. Listen, prioritize objective, define activities, engage in conversation, learn, measure and refine, establish governance, and develop capabilities. Then, requires assessing and understanding the risks, enhancing organizational capabilities, and exploring new possibilities for organizations. Next, the use of social media in info agencies. The purpose and functions of social media in information agencies as a tool for a library, support for community service, support for communication, improve the overall processes, support for human networks, and support for authority. The usage of social media in information agency are virtual information access, electronic resources, interactive multimedia, and global online services. The advantages of automating library functions and services are optimization of staff, increased profitability. For the positive impacts of social media in information agencies, improve productivity, reduce costs. And last, negative impacts of social media in information agencies, cybercrime and easily damage. After that, benefits of social media. For individuals, educate yourself, build relationship, and share expertise. For organization, create a community memory for group deliberation, improve the way individuals think collectively moving, and connect people and build relationship across boundaries. For the business, recruitment, advertise vacant positions, job market, helps find new customers, increase website traffic, improve market intelligence. For the society, for support and safety information, valuable aids to connect across vast distance, revolutionize brand engagement. And last, for education, development new ICT skills, increase social interaction, consistent delivery of educational content, encourage students to interact with each other, and students have a better direction. Next, evaluation of social media. The purpose of 7 functional blocks of social media are each block allows us to unpack and examine a specific facet of social media and its implication for firms. Next, neither mutually expensive nor to what they have to present. Allow us to make sense of how different levels of social media. A honeycomb of 7 functional building blocks. First, presence, the extent to which users know if others are available. Relationships, the extent to which users relate to each other. Reputation, the extent to which users know the social standing of others and content. Groups, the extent to which users are ordered or form communities. Conversation, the extent to which users communicate with each others. And sharing, the extent to which users exchange, distribute, and receive. Last but not least, issues in social media environment, copyright, intellectual property and licensing. Issues of copyright and the protection need to be considered. Anything that is published, posted or reposted could be subject to license or control. This needs to be verified and appropriately managed. Privacy and confidentiality. Third-party materials posted to a social media site may infringe. Often unknowingly, confidential information can be disclosed. Confidential information may also be disclosed via blogs, chat rooms, and anonymous blog comments. Then, public access to information. Information access or freedom of information legislation must be considered. It motivates the effect to the right of access. It can be beneficial to the subject of the recommendation. Last, offensive, obscene, or defamatory content. Given the infancy of social media applies to company-managed websites and blogs, while these messages are often shorter than traditional emails, they create problems precisely